In 2025, the two of the biggest names in dropshipping automation are AutoDS and DSers, but which one actually wins? Let's start with DSers. It's fast, beginner friendly, and deeply integrated with AliExpress. You can map multiple suppliers to one product, fulfill bulk orders with one click, and it's great for Shopify users who want simplicity and speed. Now, AutoDS is all about fulfill automation. It works with multiple suppliers, not just AliExpress, but also Amazon, Walmart, and more. Auto ordering, automatic tracking updates, dynamic pricing, and product research tools are all built in. It's ideal for scaling stores that want to go hands off. These are wins when it comes to free plans and affordability, especially for new sellers. But AutoDS pulls ahead in features, especially if you're using multiple suppliers or want a more hands off experience. So, which one is better? If you're just starting out with AliExpress, DSers is the easier, cheaper choice. If you're scaling and want full automation with more supplier options, AutoDS is the better investment. Like this, subscribe for more tools breakdowns and check the next video where I show how I use both tools for different stores.